Michael Jeffrey Jordan, widely regarded as the greatest basketball player of all time, had a journey marked by hard work, resilience, and groundbreaking achievements. While his fame lies in his basketball skills and 6 NBA championships, Jordan's story goes far beyond the court. It is a tale of struggles, triumphs, and business acumen that reshaped the world of sports and branding. Michael was born on February 17, 1963, in Brooklyn, New York, and raised in Wilmington, North Carolina. Despite showing an early interest in sports, Jordan faced hurdles before becoming the global icon he is today. As a sophomore in high school, Jordan famously failed to make the varsity basketball team. At 5'10", he was considered too short to compete with taller, more experienced players. This rejection fueled his determination. Michael spent the following year working tirelessly on his skills, often practicing for hours in his backyard. By his junior year, he had grown to 6'3", and made the team, where he showcased his incredible talent and drive. Jordan's skills caught the attention of college scouts, and he earned a scholarship to the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. Under the guidance of Coach Dean Smith, Jordan flourished. He hit the game, winning shot in the 1982 NK82 Championship, a moment that catapulted him into the national spotlight. As Michael prepared for the 1984 NBA draft, he had his sights set not only on professional basketball, but also on securing a sponsorship deal. Growing up, Jordan admired Adidas, the German sportswear brand. He dreamed of signing with Adidas, believing their sleek designs matched his style and personality. However, Adidas was hesitant to invest heavily in a rookie. At the time, their focus was on taller players and team sports. They doubted a 6'6" shooting guard could have the same marketing appeal as a dominant center. This rejection deeply disappointed Jordan, who had envisioned Adidas as his perfect partner. Around the same time, Nike, a relatively small and struggling athletic shoe company, saw an opportunity. Unlike Adidas, Nike was eager to invest in a player who could redefine basketball and branding. Nike approached Jordan with an ambitious pitch. They would not just make him a sponsored athlete, but create an entire shoe line around him. Michael was initially reluctant to sign with Nike, still hoping Adidas would reconsider. However, after persuasion from his agent, David Falk, and his parents, Jordan agreed to meet with Nike. Nike offered a deal worth $500,000 annually for 5 years, a massive sum for a rookie at the time. Additionally, they promised to design a signature shoe line, later named Air Jordan. The terms of the deal were groundbreaking. 1. Signature line. Nike would create a unique line of shoes and apparel centered around Jordan. 2. Revenue share. Jordan would earn royalties from every product sold, a rare arrangement for athletes at the time. 3. Marketing campaigns. Nike committed to an aggressive marketing strategy, making Jordan the face of their brand. The first Air Jordan shoe was released in 1985, and it was an instant sensation. Its bold black and red design violated NBA uniform regulations, leading to a $5,000 fine each time Jordan wore them in a game. Nike willingly paid the fines, using the controversy to fuel their banned marketing campaign. The Air Jordan 1 sold over $70 million in its first year, far exceeding expectations. As Jordan dominated the NBA, leading the Bulls to 6 championships in the 1990s, his influence extended beyond the court. The Air Jordan brand became a cultural phenomenon, merging sports, fashion, and lifestyle. Nike's partnership with Jordan evolved into the Jordan brand, a subsidiary that includes footwear, apparel, and accessories. Jordan's royalty rate, reported to be around 5, turned out to be a game changer. By 2023, the Jordan brand was generating over $5 billion annually, making Michael Jordan the first athlete to become a billionaire largely through endorsements. Despite his immense success, Jordan faced challenges during his career. Early in the NBA, critics doubted his ability to lead a team to a championship. The physicality of the Detroit Pistons' bad boys era in the late 1980s tested his mental and physical resilience. However, Jordan responded by strengthening his body and refining his game. Off the court, Jordan's relentless competitive nature sometimes led to controversies, including accusations of excessive gambling. However, these moments did little to tarnish his reputation as a global icon. Michael Jordan retired from basketball for the final time in 2003, but his influence continues to grow. Through his business ventures, including ownership of the Charlotte Hornets, now the Charlotte Bobcats, investments in various industries, and his enduring partnership with Nike, Jordan has built a net worth exceeding $2 billion. The Jordan brand remains a leader in the sneaker market, appealing to both athletes and collectors. Michael's journey from a high school reject to a billionaire entrepreneur exemplifies perseverance and vision. Michael Jordan's story is not just about basketball greatness, but also about transforming sports marketing and branding. His initial disappointment with Adidas led him to Nike, where he found a partner that believed in his potential. Together, they redefined the role of athletes in business and built a legacy that transcends sports. Jordan's life proves that rejection can lead to greater opportunities, and with hard work and determination, the impossible can become reality.